Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my new invention, Pop-Tart soup. I'm calling it Pop-Tart soup. This is my new invention. So what happened was, I went and got some Pop-Tarts, broke it into little pieces, and put some stuff in it, put water in it, stir it up, and here we go. Pop-Tart soup. The only ingredients you need is Pop-Tarts, water, and that's all. Yep, this is Pop-Tart soup. Alright, so what's gonna happen is, I'm going to try it. Alright, I'm gonna try my new invention for the first time. My goodness, this, no. Oh my gosh. Now, let me get a little bit more. Okay. This tastes like rotten. This tastes like, soaked Pop-Tarts. Oh my god. It's okay. I'm gonna give it a 70. Yeah, 70. This is okay. This is alright. It tastes like Rice Krispie. But if y'all wanna make some Pop-Tart soup, I'm gonna add the recipes in the description below. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.